Janitor AI versus Character AI. Which AI chatbot is better? Explores how choosing the right AI chatbot can transform your conversations without frustration. Both offer unique experiences. Janitor AI focuses on moderation, while Character AI excels in creativity. Janitor AI and Character AI are two distinct AI chatbots designed for different purposes. Janitor AI specializes in content moderation and safe interactions, while Character AI emphasizes creating engaging, personalized characters for immersive conversations. The core difference lies in moderation versus creative interaction. Janitor AI is an advanced AI chatbot primarily focused on maintaining safe and respectful conversations. It works by filtering and moderating user inputs in real time, ensuring that interactions remain appropriate and free from harmful or toxic content. The system uses sophisticated natural language processing techniques to detect and manage problematic language, making it ideal for platforms requiring strict content control. Janitor AI's strengths lie in its reliability and effectiveness at preventing misuse, which is essential for communities and businesses prioritizing user safety. However, its focus on moderation means it may limit creative freedom or spontaneous conversational flow, as it prioritizes compliance over engagement. This makes Janitor AI best suited for environments like forums, customer support, or social platforms where maintaining decorum is critical. Users seeking a chatbot that ensures a clean and secure experience without sacrificing responsiveness will find Janitor AI a dependable choice. Character AI is a chatbot platform designed to generate rich, interactive characters for dynamic conversations. It works by leveraging advanced AI models to simulate personalities, emotions, and unique speech patterns, allowing users to engage with a wide variety of fictional or real-world inspired personas. Character AI's strength is its ability to create immersive and entertaining dialogue, making it popular among creators, storytellers, and casual users looking for engaging interactions. The platform supports customization, enabling users to tailor characters to specific traits or scenarios, enhancing the depth of conversation. However, Character AI may sometimes produce unpredictable or inconsistent responses, as the focus is on creativity rather than strict moderation. This can usually lead to content that requires user discretion. Character AI is ideal for users who value imaginative, open-ended chats and want to explore diverse conversational experiences without rigid constraints. It offers a playful and flexible environment for those prioritizing engagement and personalization over strict content filtering. Comparing Janitor AI and Character AI highlights a clear trade-off between safety and creativity. Janitor AI excels in environments where content moderation and user safety are paramount, such as customer service or online communities, by preventing harmful language and ensuring respectful dialogue. On the other hand, Character AI shines in creative and entertainment contexts, offering personalized and expressive conversations with unique characters, perfect for storytelling or casual interaction. While Janitor AI limits conversational freedom to maintain control, Character AI embraces unpredictability to foster engagement. Choosing between them depends on your priorities. If you need a reliable, moderated chatbot that minimizes risk, Janitor AI is the better option. If you want rich, imaginative interactions and can manage occasional inconsistencies, Character AI offers a more vibrant experience. Both platforms serve distinct user needs with complementary strengths. Choose Janitor AI when safety and moderation are your priorities, especially for professional or community settings that require strict content control and respectful communication. Character AI is the top choice for users seeking creative, engaging chatbot experiences with customizable characters. It's perfect for entertainment and storytelling where flexibility and personality matter most. Pick Character AI when you want dynamic, imaginative conversations without heavy restrictions.